What's up, guys? Welcome back. I have a impromptu, race again. It's another day out in Brazil, and me and Ali came to go karting just like you would at any K1 or wherever you may go. But yeah, I accidentally came on a day where they're racing for a championship. So, but they were cool and they let me race. So Ali's not gonna race because she doesn't want to get ran over, and I don't want her to get ran over either. So it's just gonna be me, and where are we at? Granja Viana. So yeah, let me turn this around and show you guys this karting track because it's fucking insane. They have actual live timing and scoring. Also, my race has a qualifying session, just like my wheel-to-wheel race in Brazil had. I just got done with my race. I qualified 15th out of 20 and finished 11th. I've never been here before. It was fun as hell. I had no idea karting was that physical though. Holy shit, my ribs are beat up. But yeah, thank God for the rib protector. We got like a TV show going on over here. It's serious out here. Karting is so fucking serious. I'll show you guys the trophy rooms they got out here. Trophies taller than us. It's crazy, but yeah, it was a good time. I had a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to come out here and start doing this regularly. There's a bunch of tracks like this out here in Brazil, especially Sao Paulo. So, you know, and it's not like I have to drive 3 hours one way for one track and 3 hours the other way for another. Like back home, it's all within half an hour from the house. So, it's pretty nice. Check out this facility, man. It's fucking nuts. These guys got their own garages. It's a badass helmet. Yeah, it's just insane. I wanted to show you guys. We had a trophy presentation. Like I said, I finished 11th out of 22. But some dope carts there. But down here at the end, they have a whole trophy podium deal, and they give out trophies. But check these out, man. It's a 24-hour trophy. What the fuck? Check it out. One day, we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm wrapping it up right now, and it'll be out later tonight. But I wanted to give myself some time to think about everything that happened yesterday. Basically soak it up and then give my feedback on everything. I touched a little bit in the video on how physical karting was, and I woke up this morning and sure enough, like, my sides are sore, back's a little sore too. Definitely hitting those curbs is not ideal. You hit those curbs, and obviously karts don't have dampers or nothing like that, so your body is basically the damper. Your ass, your spine, you know, your ribs when you're flying left and right, when you get hit from the side, hit from the back, or you hit somebody dead on. And there was a lot of times where I thought I was gonna straight up T-bone some people that were spun out, but I did see a couple people actually get T-boned, and that looks pretty rough. Also, I noticed trail braking. Driving a GT3, trail braking, or any rear engine car really, trail braking is like deadly. That's how you fucking fly off the road. That's how you, you know, spin out on track, go off track. Yeah, trail braking in a GT3 is a no-go. So myself personally, you know, have always, it's just so accustomed to not trail braking, but braking in a straight line before you turn in and then get going in the turn. And it took me a while to get used to the fact that I could trail brake like an M car, and that helped the car out a lot. So you see in turn one, it's like a straight and then a very sharp right-hander, and most of the time I would be, you know, doing all my braking in a straight line before I tossed the car in. And in fact, I didn't even need to do that. I could actually just use the turn as an extension of my braking zone, which definitely shaved some some times down. I remember falling back to about 14th or 13th place, and then on the last 4 or 5 laps, figuring out I could trail brake pretty deep and making up, you know, those 3 or 4 positions back into 11th place. So yeah, that was another thing I noticed. Also, I'd like to thank all you guys who reached out to me and are actually helping me out with karting, knowing that I'm going to be moving here and getting serious into karting. A lot of you guys have offered some good advice and what to look for and what I should look to buy. So appreciate you guys on all that. I'm completely clueless to all this. This is something completely new to me, something that I've been interested in doing, but honestly, having track cars, I'd rather go to the track with a real car than karting. Well, here in Brazil, like I've said in the past, I don't want to bring my cars here. Brazil's not the place to have nice cars, honestly, and for that alone, that's why I want to stick to karting. So, and I know that karting will pay off driving real cars too, because it's just facts, man. The fastest guys on the track are usually guys who have karting experience. So yeah, it'll be a lot of fun to go out and compete. The guys that I was racing with yesterday, sent me the schedule for the season. It's a whole season deal, and they're not the only ones that do that. So that doesn't mean that I only have to stick to their schedule. I can definitely hop around from different leagues to different leagues, which I would like to do. You know, I'd like to get as much involved as I am in karting as I am tracking, or I was tracking back home, knowing that the expense of karting is so much more forgiving than tracking a regular car. It's so much cheaper. It's just so much more affordable. So yeah, for now, the plan is to not buy a kart. I need to do my homework more. Like I said, some of you guys have reached out and given me advice on what karts to look for and everything, but for right now, I kind of want to do the rental car leagues and just hone in my skills. I don't think I'm going to be doing rental karts, you know, forever or for, you know, an extended period of time, but I definitely want to get, you know, my feet wet in the karting with the rental karts first before I jump into something like a regular kart or a shifter kart. But seeing some of those last night that I didn't record for the video was very tempting. I was like, man, those karts look fucking sick. And yeah, I'll have to invest in a racing suit pretty soon here. Pretty much everywhere in Brazil, even if you're driving a real car on track, you need a fire suit when you're racing wheel to wheel. So yeah, I'll have to look into that. That's another expense to look forward to. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you are interested in karting, yeah, get ready for a shitload of it as I transition my channel from mainly a track-focused channel to now getting into wheel-to-wheel karting. But next time, I promise you guys, I will have a GoPro on the helmet, and I'll get you guys some POV action from the karting, from the track, and go from there. So yeah, take it easy. Bye.